cane, watch this. I'll show you how to live with bliss. No sight, no fear, just the rush I miss. Hold my cane, watch this. The rails, they scream, they call my name. Blindfolded hearts, we play the same game. Clicking chains pull me to the sky. I can taste the clouds, I can hear the high. Every time's a melody in disguise. The scream of wheels, the wind that cries. I don't need sight to see the spark. I paint the world in shades of dark. Hold my cane, watch this.
Alrighty. Front
This
row.
is the last day like those evenings.
Figured we'd do it just because last night it was dark.
Dark and crazy.
Back is so much fun because you slide all over the place.
Let's
Well, at
see
least
what
I
this
did because
does.
I was at minimum verify.
Let's see what it does with this.
Skip over. Platform clear.
There we go.
I actually pulled it a little bit tight.
your adventure on InvadR.
This has the crazy pre-lift.
Woo! Woo! That smashed hard.
We got chain dogs right under us.
Yes, so loud. It's a little bit tighter up front than it is in the
Yeah,
back.
the anti-rollback's a little bit behind us, but the chain dog was right at us. The
Yeah.
Okay, so we got a little pre-drop. And we're going to drop in the tunnel. There's that pre-drop. Wow. Here we go.
Oh my God! Oh, these laterals! Oh my goodness!
That's
Good.
hilarious.
That was so much
I put
fun.
my hand